Let's give a minute. The Alva table for a door. Don't talk about that. Sorry, dear. I'm a better talk. Everyone would give what you love, like him. But can I go get it? I'm meaning a child. I'm going to get a while. I don't go to the open. So I don't know.
For Protect players, I am extremely happy for what you have done today. This is still our first match, and we expect the second match, the third match. We expect the trophy to come to Acholi. As we promised last time, we want the trophy to be rotating. Acholi, Lao, and West Nile. The trophy must remain within the circle. Otherwise, thank you so much. You have made us proud. My coming here is not for nothing. Wherever you will be, I will be. Let me thank Honorable Acholi from Lao. He promised to me that Olanya, I must go wherever your team is going. And right now, he is here. Let him greet you in 1 minute, and we give you that.
Thank you,
Honorable Member.
Thank you very much. Actually, this is what we wanted. We expect you to keep improving from where you stopped today. Even the next match may be tougher than this. So get prepared, you have just started the journey. The journey is still very far. But like he has said, we are going to give you whatever support we can. Not only support, body support also is going to be there. We are going to follow you wherever you are going.
Thank you.
So that you are not left alone.
Thank you.
With this, I want you to keep the spirit you have displayed in here. I wish you safe journey back home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here in my hand, we have 1 million shilling for you, the players. 500 for my brother and 500 for myself. This is still the beginning, okay? Next time. Okay.
Honorable.
Yes, let the chairman say something, please. Yes, chairman.
I have only one word for you, the honorable members. I have only one word for you, the honorable members. On behalf of Acholi management and the players, we wish you success to go back in Parliament. We wish you success. So there was 500.
Exactly.
And then 250.
Oh, for the goal. Exactly. So it means 1,250,000. I don't know what you want. Let me invite the captain to pass the vote of thanks, and we hand over. We leave. Yes, captain.
For good fans, Mamegwa. Lutela Makamegwa, Iloma Papa, maybe look at you, one, Ilomabo, Gang, Mamegwa. Yok Makamegu, the word Makamegu, where result Mawanoni, Berukuman, Walegani, look in the way to Mukana Ben. We are going to reach you. Actually, a large. We are reaching. We are supporting Otiana Maka Megwani. We are with Tara. Tumbara Yomi again. Before you
So, appointment captain, Ichaman, I mean, you said a million of jail, Gali Mia Rio, Ipiara Beach. Generally, any, or where call you to Namke, Kajel, the management team. One management team, very much here. Again, to succeed in Canada. Whatever they are around. Appointment, oh, we can't have away. We can't have away.
So before the day end,
yeah. Appoint Batek, chairman by Acholi community, Omeo Alibia Rio Gipiarabi. Honorable Sheila Karu, Omeo Alibia Beero Gipiarabi. Kaulanya Gilbert, Omero Alibia B. Manjube any Fortecan, Alego Lubami Poluko. Any fracture Kine, Neomala Chen, White you Madoli.
reporting for the day. Actually, but you are wrong. You may be back. I'm not doing
I'm